Are you struggling to gain muscle mass despite working hard at the gym? It's time to take a closer look at your diet. In this video, we share 9 essential diet tips to help you build muscle and achieve your fitness goals. From consuming enough calories and protein to choosing healthy fats and whole foods, we've got you covered. Plus, we've included a sample menu to give you an idea of what your daily meals could look like. Get ready to transform your body and take your workouts to the next level with our expert tips. Stay tuned. 9 diet tips to gain muscle mass with menu. Consume enough calories. Consuming more calories than your body burns is essential for gaining muscle mass. The amount of calories you need to consume depends on various factors such as weight, height, age, and activity level. Consume enough protein. Protein is an important nutrient for building and repairing muscles. The amount of protein you need depends on various factors such as weight, height, age, and activity level. As a general rule, consume about 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. Consume enough carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are important for providing energy for workouts. Choose complex carbohydrates such as brown rice, quinoa, and oats. Consume healthy fats. Healthy fats are important for hormone production, vitamin absorption, and metabolism regulation. Choose healthy fats such as avocado, nuts, and olive oil. Eat several times a day. Eating several times a day, rather than just 3 main meals, can help maintain energy levels and avoid hunger. Try to eat a meal or snack every 3 hours. Drink plenty of water. Drinking water is important for staying hydrated during workouts and aiding digestion. Eat whole foods. Whole foods are those that are not processed and contain all essential nutrients. Choose whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. Avoid processed foods and sugar. Processed foods and sugar can be high in empty calories and cause inflammation in the body. Avoid processed foods and sugar as much as possible. Add supplements if necessary. If you have difficulty meeting your nutritional needs through food, you may need to add supplements such as protein powder or creatine. Here is a sample menu to gain muscle mass. Breakfast: 2 egg omelette with spinach and cottage cheese, accompanied by 1 slice of whole grain bread and a fruit. Mid-morning snack: 1 serving of plain yogurt with 1 serving of mixed berries and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Lunch: 1 serving of brown rice with 1 serving of black beans, 1 serving of sautéed vegetables, 1 grilled chicken breast, and green salad. Afternoon snack: 1 protein shake made with whey protein, skim milk, 1 banana, and 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Dinner: 1 serving of grilled salmon, 1 serving of quinoa, 1 serving of steamed broccoli, and green salad. Are you looking for more health, bodybuilding, and diet tips to help you reach your fitness goals? Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get notified when we post new videos. Our team of experts is dedicated to bringing you the latest and greatest in fitness and nutrition, so you can stay on top of your game. Don't miss out on the valuable information we have to offer. Subscribe now and join our community of fitness enthusiasts.